This was part of another video, but MetaMesh. We got two UV maps here. So of course, one for the box and one for this guy. So got a burger and a box, and usually you don't want to weld those together, but I thought it would be just cool to show that MetaMesh does work nicely with UVs, and this is even sub-patched. So kick it, run it, show wireframe cages or edges or not. We'll leave it off. And once I do that, you'll see that not only does it create a very nice polyflow, but also it keeps very nice UVs. So there it is, burger box with nice UVs.